Did you know that before the British came to India, there was no sugar in our kitchens? And there were no sugar factories either. So, with what did people make their sweets? The answer is jaggery. This amazingly nutritious, benign, tasty, almost medicinal ingredient has had to relinquish its place in the most kitchens to sugar. But at Barwa, we want to introduce it back into your plates and cups. Barwa has launched a range of organic jaggery in 4 flavors: turmeric, cardamom, ginger, and spice mix. 40 little cubes in each bag. You can eat them directly or add them to your tea or coffee or milk, or to make a nutritious healthy drink or brew using it, or use it as a sweetener instead of sugar in any food preparation. Let's hear more about this lip smacking ingredient from Dr. Chaya.
Jaggery is obtained before sugar is extracted from sugarcane. It's been used for centuries as a nutritious and tasty ingredient in cooking. Jaggery with ghee and carbohydrates like roti is an excellent source of energy. It helps increase the overall health, stamina, and strength of the body. Aged jaggery is supposed to be better than the fresh jaggery as it sharpens the appetite. Because it is so scrumptiously sweet, it is easy to digest and aids in the body's blood purifying process. Jaggery can help balance all 3 doshas. When consumed with the ginger juice, it tones down the kaph dosha. When mixed with haritaki or hirda, it will whittle down the pitta dosha. When blended with ginger powder, jaggery can decrease the vaat dosha in our body.